This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we got markets slightly in the red right now. Nasdaq, actually the only index, positive by 2 points, trading at 91.97. We got S&P futures negative by 4, trading at 33.15. Dow futures negative by 65 points, trading at 29,075. Procter & Gamble out with their earnings, trading a bit lower, hitting the Dow this morning. We'll start things off. Here's your chart of the S&P. Quite a slide from record territory yesterday. We were up there at 33.37. You slide throughout most of the day. Finish right at around, we'll call it 33.19 in the S&P, and you can see we just kind of been bouncing around overnight from that level of the close, about 33.20, down to a low of maybe 33.12, and we're right at near the lower end of that range. Checking in on the VIX this morning, as you may expect, a little bit of an elevated rise in the VIX Volatility Index, 1335 as we await the opening bell. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the indices. Dow 30, 29,064. You back things up to the high of yesterday. You back it up to overnight. Late Tuesday, that high print in the Dow just above 29,300. We're approaching 250 points off that level now. Nasdaq 100, a little bit of a different story. The Nasdaq, the only index right now in the green, currently trading at 91.91. There's your S&P 500, which we covered right near the bottom end of its range that we had overnight, 33.14. Crude oil, quite a trend. I was talking about this during the morning market kickoff. We started looking at some of the trade possibilities. We get EIA numbers for crude at 11 a.m. this morning. We started pulling it up. Crude was at 55.50. We're down almost 30 pennies from that level even. Never mind the fact that you back things up to Sunday night, folks, and we were up there at almost $60 for the price of crude. I can't get back there. This is a 5-minute bar. You back it up to Sunday night. We're almost at $60. We're currently approaching 55. Gold contract trading 15.55 currently, looking at February gold. And the euro-US dollar, we got a little bit of volatility on the jobs number. Euro-US dollar coming 110.87. In terms of what else you have happening, it's a big day of earnings out there. Comcast shares rise after earnings beat on top and bottom line. I'm going to jump around a bit here. Procter & Gamble falling on a sales miss. You have American Airlines profits jump despite those 737 MAX problems, and Southwest fourth quarter profit falling as well. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up live. Don't forget, front page of TFNN. Larry's got a great webinar coming up 6 days from right now. Check that out. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.